Welcome students in the online classes. Today we will be studying about endoplasmic reticulum. So children, you can see in this picture the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. So children, we can make this, or we can abbreviate the endoplasmic reticulum as ER. So we can also say as endoplasmic reticulum in a short form ER. So children, this type of endoplasmic reticulum are found in all eukaryotic cells, and there are some exceptional cells where these are not found, but except those cells, they are found in all the eukaryotic cells, and these are absent in prokaryotic cells. So children, the function of the endoplasmic reticulum is to make a pathway or make a passage through which all the molecules can pass. So molecules, different molecules are necessary for the cell. So this make a pathway through which these important molecules are passed within the cell. So the meaning of endoplasmic reticulum, endo means within, plasmic means cell, and cell fluid, and reticulum means network. So the meaning of endoplasmic reticulum is within cell fluid network. So it is like a network. You can see here this network. So children, this is irregular network. These are not having a proper shape. These are irregular network, and these are made from a fine tubules, and these tabular structures are bounded by a membrane. You can see these are bounded by a membrane, and actually this begins from the nuclear membrane. It starts with the nuclear membrane and ends at the cellular membrane. Cellular means the end of the cell. So it begins with the nuclear membrane and ends with the cellular membrane. So children, along with that, you can see also some ribosomes. This dotted structures you are seeing, these are called as ribosome. I have already directed this as a ribosome. So depending upon the absence and presence of ribosome, so depending upon the absence and presence of ribosome, we can call it as rough endoplasmic membrane, or red endoplasmic reticulum, or we can call it as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So children, if the ribosomes are present on this tabular structure, these are called as rough, because this is having the ribosomes in it. So what is ribosome? This is also important thing. So ribosomes are minute structure. Ribosomes are minute structure, and they contain proteins in it. We can also call it as protein factory, which manufacture the protein. So these proteins are attached to the tabular structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, and if this structure, these ribosomes are present, then these are called as rough endoplasmic, because if something is there on the surface, we get the feeling of roughness. So if the ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, these are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. If there is no ribosomes present on the endoplasmic reticulum, these are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So if ribosomes are present, these are called rough, and if there is no ribosome, these are called as smooth. So we have also spoken about the ribosomes, that these are attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, and they do not have any type of membrane. The function of the ribosome is to synthesize the protein, and that is why they are called as the protein factory, because they produce protein. So these are called as protein factory. And children, the function of the endoplasmic reticulum is to serve the pathway structure. You can see this. You can see the pathway means like a road which transport the or distribute the material within the cell or between the cells. So it also provides the support to the cell. So it is the function of endoplasmic reticulum. We are also seeing the endoplasmic, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and these also is having a type of function. Since they are having ribosome, they were conducting or manufacturing protein, and here they do not have ribosomes, so they do not produce protein, but they synthesize lipid. They are synthesizing the lipid. So this is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So once again, let us recall whatever we have studied, that this pathway which you are seeing, endoplasmic pathway, is between, or these are found from the nuclear membrane to the at the one end nuclear membrane, and the another end is the plasma membrane or cell membrane. These are found between them. Then depending upon the absence or presence of ribosomes, they are called as rough or smooth. If ribosome is present, they are called as rough. If ribosome is absent, they are called as smooth. Then we have also studied about what is ribosome. So ribosome is a protein factory. They manufacture they manufacture protein, and the function of endoplasmic reticulum is to serve as pathway structure for the distribution of various material within the cell. See, it is all about endoplasmic reticulum. These are found in the all eukaryotic cells. So students, once again go through the audio, also read the book on the cell organelles. So students, keep studying. Thank you.